Hello children, how are you? I hope you are busy with your studies and enjoying indoor games. Now last time we have solved some riddles instead of singing the song. So today let us first sing the song on shapes. Let me show you the song so that you can also sing it with me. Song on shapes. Can you see the spelling of shapes? Yes? Okay. Let's sing the song. Terry triangle, look at me. Count my sides. There are 3. Sammy Square, that's my name. I have 4 sides. They are all the same. Robbie Rectangle, that's my name. I have 4 sides. The opposite sides are the same. Cindy Circle, just one line. Make it round. That is fine. I hope you like this song. Now children, you know the shapes very well. Now see here. Which shape is this, children? This is a square. Then this is a rectangle. This is a triangle. And this is a circle. And which shape is this, children? This is an oval. Which shape is this, children? Remember, this is an oval. So children, these are all the basic shapes which you can see everywhere. Like if you see inside your house, you see the shape of door is rectangle. And you see the window in square shape. And if you see outside the house, you can see mountains in triangle shape. And in the sky, you see the sun in shape of a circle. So today's our subject is drawing and topic is scenery with basic shapes. The shapes which I have shown you just now. Now children, in scenery we draw mountains, sun, then trees, flowers, pond or lake, fishes, grass. So today we are drawing scenery using basic shapes only. To draw scenery, we need drawing paper. Now, if you don't have drawing paper, you can use any blank white paper or you can use your last year's drawing book also. Then one sharpen pencil, eraser and some crayons to color the drawing. Now let me show you how to draw scenery with basic shapes. Now children, can you see my drawing paper here? Let me make it bigger for you. Yes. Can you see the line now? Now here on this line you have to write the date. You have to write here the date. Then on this big sleeping line, you have to draw this sleeping line and write the name of the topic. S, capital S for scenery. SCENERY, scenery, with WITH, with basic, BASIC, basic shapes, SHAPES. So write the name of the topic like this: scenery with basic shapes. Now let's draw the drawing. For that, first leave some space like this much space you leave, and draw a big sleeping line. Then slowly draw triangles to show mountains. These are the mountains with which shape, children? Yes, triangle shape. Then draw a circle as the sun. Okay. Now let us draw house. To draw the house, you can draw either rectangle or you can draw square. Now here I am drawing rectangle so that I can draw two windows for the house. After drawing rectangle or square, draw triangle like this. Okay. Then after drawing triangle, draw again rectangle to show the door, and two squares as windows of the house. Okay. Then let us draw trees. To draw trees, you have to draw an oval shape first. See, like this. Draw an oval shape and then draw two standing lines, parallel standing lines to show the stem of the tree. Then again draw an oval shape and draw two parallel lines to show the stem. Then let us draw the pond here with an oval shape. Draw an oval shape like this to draw the pond. Now inside the pond, let us draw some fishes with basic shapes. So draw the diamond shape like this and draw triangles again to show the fins of fish, mouth, one small circle as an eye, and don't forget to draw gills of fish, because fish breathes through gills. Then let us draw one more fish with triangle shape. So draw triangle, then draw one more triangle, again mouth, eye and gills, because fish breathes through gills. Now one more fish with an oval shape. So draw an oval shape, then draw fins with triangles, mouth and eye, and again a triangle as gills. Now here also let us draw some trees with triangle shape. First we have drawn trees with an oval shape. Now let us draw trees with triangle shape. Like this. Some trees are tall and some are short. Okay. Now let us draw grass. Tall grass, short grass. With which shape this is, children? Yes, triangle shape. Now let us draw some flowers. Now to draw the flower, first draw the circle like this, and then draw some circles around it, and then draw the stem, then again draw the circle and draw some circles around it like this, and draw the stem. Now again draw one more flower with circle shape. Now let us draw one flower here also. It's very easy and beautiful flower, na children? Flower with circle shape. Yes. Now here our drawing of picture is completed. Can you see mountains? Can you see mountains with triangle shape? Then sun, then house, then pond with an oval shape, then some fishes inside the ponds with basic shapes, then trees, here trees with an oval shape, and here trees with triangle shape, then flowers with the shape of circle, and then grass like this. Now here our drawing is completed. Now let me show you how to color this picture. Now let me come to you children to show you how to color this picture. Wait for a while, I am coming. Hello children. So this is our picture which we have drawn just now. Okay, now let me show you how to color it. Now to color the picture, first you have to take brown color to color the mountains. Okay, so color the mountains with brown color, slowly, nicely, with one type of stroke only. Then color sun with yellow color. Which color? Yellow color. Can you see in the picture how teacher has colored mountains with brown color and sun with yellow color? After coloring mountains and sun, you have to color house like this with orange color on the roof. Give orange color to the roof, and doors and windows with again yellow color, and remaining house with red color. Children, you can give different colors to the house also. You can give whichever color you like, you can give it to the house. Okay, but color it nicely. Now after coloring the house, color trees like this with dark green color and stems with brown color. See, dark green color. Don't use light green color, because light green color we are giving to the grass. Okay, let's give light green color to the grass. So color the trees with dark green color and stem with brown color. Okay, now after coloring the trees, color the pond and fishes. Now water, in the pond there is water, so give blue color to the water first, and then color the fishes with different colors. Let me show it bigger so that you can come to see. See how teacher has colored pond, water with blue color, and fishes with different colors. Eyes of fishes, mouth of fishes with black color. Okay. Now after coloring the water of the pond and fishes, you have to color sky. Let me make it small for you. Yes, can you see the sky? How teacher has colored with light blue color. So color the sky with light blue color, and then color the flowers. Now let me show you, make it bigger for you, flowers, so that you can see how teacher has colored flowers. In the center, teacher has given yellow color and petals with dark pink color. Okay, I have used dark pink color for the petals, and stem of the flower with green color, dark green color. See in the picture how teacher has colored flowers. So you also color the flowers nicely. Now after coloring the flowers, you have to color the grass. Can you see in the picture grass with light green color? Very good, children. You remember everything. Whatever teacher teaches you, you try to remember it. Very good. So color the grass with light green color. Now after coloring this grass, you have to give yellow color to the background. Slowly, steadily, you have to give yellow color. Can I show you yellow color which I have used? See, this yellow color I have used for the background. So the picture is looking very nice, very beautiful, and each and every space and place we have colored. So our now here coloring is completed. But children, now what you have to do? Last time what I have told you, after coloring the picture, what you have to do? Yes, you have to give outline to the picture with black crayon. See how teacher has given outline to the picture, and now it's looking more beautiful. Picture is looking more beautiful with black outline with black crayon. So keep practicing to give the outline to the picture slowly and steadily. So do you want to see my final picture? Can you see here? Yes. You can see down there in the picture also, you can see here also. So children, you also try and draw and color scenery with basic shapes nicely. And keep smiling. Bye bye. See you.